Hi everyone, welcome back. Please excuse my voice. I have got a very sore throat. So many bugs going around. Right, I've got some BT Art Box false cover tips and I'm going to use straight away. I've put a base coat on. I'm going to use, what was it called? Jelly Nude. What number was it? BPJN04. And you can save 10% using my code, which will be listed in the description box down below. So I'm going to put all that all over the nails, just one coat, cure it, and then with the sticky inhibition layer I'm just taking some iridescent pearly glitter, but skipping out that index finger. Then I'm going to give it a base coat, seal all that in, give it a cure. So many bugs going around. I swear my kids keep coming back every day from school and they're like, bloody blah's ill now, bloody blah's ill. Like, oh no. So I hope my kids don't get ill as well. Right, pop them in the lamp, and then while it's curing, we've got the index finger. Don't know why I put the Jelly Nude on, but it needed to be pink anyway. So I've done 2 coats of pink on that. And then we've got these weird, again, iridescent, but more opaque, is that the word? They're not see-through ones. Top coat them, no, base coat them, and pop them in the lamp to cure. And then once they're cured, I have got a small dotting tool. I'm just going to create just loads of different styles of snowflakes, simple ones, more intricate ones. They're all quite simple, but I didn't want them all to be the same. So I've done like the super simple one, top right, and then I thought I'd like invert it. So the diagonal bits are going to be the longer bits rather than the north, south, east, west ones, if you know what I mean. So I've done that on that one. So don't put any polish on your liner brush. You just want to use the product that is in that centre dot and drag through all of those lines. And then for that, I nearly burped, I'm really sorry. For the north, south, east, west ones, we're just going to add like a flowery 3 little draggy blobs. So many technical words coming out of my mouth right now. And then we're just going to add some dots and give it a cure. So we've done that to the thumb, middle, ring and pinky, give it on my matte top coat, and then over the top of that, once the matte top coat is cured, just add a few more dots here, there and everywhere, and then on a few of them just do like the little stars. You drag through a little bit, and then I'm just going to put some acrylic powder over that. And then of course the nails with the acrylic powder over, they need curing as well, and then you can give them a scrub-a-dub-dub. So I've found these like metally snowflakes. I got them before Christmas last year, and this little pusher thing, it curves them for you. Sometimes they're not curved to the nail, are they? And we need to make them curved. So I've put some McCart rhinestone glue gel down, and I'm just doing 3 for each nail of those metally bits. Just whack them on and give them a cure. And then for the ring finger, I'm going to create, using Perfect White, a smile line, marking that out where I want it to be. And then I'll put some acrylic powder over that and give that a cure as well. And then once that's cured, we can go in. This is, what colour is this? Hang on. That is A224 from Beetles. Done 2 coats of that on the bottom half of the nail. And then once that is cured again, I'm going to use Perfect White again and create some candy stripes all the way down the nail. Put some more acrylic over that and give it another cure. Okay, so now it's experimentation time. I saw this on Instagram. I have no idea who it is. So I've matte top coated that pink nail, the index finger, and then I've put a base coat down and I've sprinkled some clear acrylic with the glitter mixed into it, and I grabbed a silicone tool. I haven't cured it. I've grabbed a silicone tool, and the lady had wrote "Let It Snow" and a couple of footprints, like Santa's footprint boots at the bottom. Yeah, it didn't go so well the first time. I think the silicone tool was too big for 1. For 2, the clear acrylic powder wasn't correct. And I'd used it for all the other bits that I'd put acrylic on the nails on this set, and it was showing up really well on camera with the light, but in real life it didn't really look great. I put let it, and then I was like, well, I'll just write N-O, and then I can fit the S and the W in with the space that I've got left. Didn't work. It just said, let it, no. So I had to wipe it all off, and I started again. So I put, it's already been matte top coated, remember, and then we put another base coat down, and I sprinkled white acrylic over it, and mixed a little bit of that iridescent glitter in with the white acrylic. Uncured still again, and I've switched to that really small dotting tool that we've got, and instead of doing capital letters, I've decided to do, what's it called, lowercase letters. So let it snow. I'll just let you watch this from Mo, because I'm sure you've had enough of my croaky voice. Okay, so once that's cured, give it a scrub off, and then I forgot to press record on the Christmas tree one, but I've just taken my rhinestone glue gel, I've added a Christmas tree and a candy cane to the thumb, and a little Rudolph to the middle finger, giving that a cure. These were from the Shein Christmas haul that we had, and they are done. So happy with these. Oh, I added a little rhinestones at the top of the ring and the pinky as well. Didn't even realise that. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. I apologise again for my croaky voice. Hopefully it's back to normal for all the advent calendars and Wednesday's video. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you all when I can talk properly again. Thanks guys. Bye.